I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, with every Christmas card I write. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white.
Hello, say.
How are you, Baba?
I'm doing great. And what's your name?
Alex.
Alex.
Yes, sir.
So how long have you been singing here?
This is my first song
Can
actually.
you sing again?
I will. I'll be singing for like the next couple of hours, so I'll be here. Like your phone. It's cool.
You enjoying the music? You like it?
Right.
So it's Alex who? The singer?
Fairly.
Alex
Have
Fairly.
yourself, that's right, a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light.
Alright, thank you, Alex.
You're welcome, sir.